switch out a car for you. Portland to Denver. Jerry, are you ready for that passenger train?
You want to be on the other, we want the locomotive to come back in on the other track and pick up on that side of it.
Alright, so right about here?
Yeah, that's, I'll pull it out further. Pull it out into here. Well, uncouple it right here.
Alright.
Okay? That's good.
The Pillsbury. Uh-huh. And you got to run all the way around the main around it, and I'm blocking part of it. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, Evan?
Yeah.
Evan, here it comes.
Alright, I see him.
Here, Evan, take these upstairs.
Get you off that one. Okay, pull ahead, John. Go ahead, Omaha. Go ahead, dispatch, I'm sorry.
Let me know when you're done playing with these Omaha.
Yeah, I'll be, I'm pulling this train down that way right now to make him pick up here in just a second.
I see. Switch number 1. Who knows what the switch
Should have bought that with all the time.
I'm on the bottom.
Yeah, you're coming through Gibbon. That's a
42
right there.
dispatch, I'm clear.
Yeah, but I don't know if I'm sitting on your switch or not.
Dispatch to, okay, to let that other train follow him
Turn
in.
that switch up there. Yep.
No, the,
43.
43.
You should see something.
These for Gilbert. You done, Dave?
Yep. 43 dispatch.
You put that.
Send it right back out again.
Oh, that's fine.
Otherwise,
fine.
Otherwise, I got to switch cabs around and put a cab on the main. I don't think you want me to put a cab on the
There
main.
must be some more trains coming up there, because I'm short on cabs up there all of a sudden.
Slaughterhouse, let me check my sheet here. I probably will need some soon.
Something's on this.
Okay, Roger, thank you, dispatch.
Over here, the one I picked up at Cheyenne? Yeah. Picked up the wrong car. Got the wrong car and the wrong car. Got the right car, but the wrong car.
Maroon and dark brown content trouble seeing. I could have missed it.
I've seen a couple
68.
things happen today that I've never seen happen before.
Good or bad?
Well, that button coming out,
Oh,
and I've never had all the plugs go out.
You would enjoy it. You would really have a good time. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get up to about 10 o'clock in the morning. Then we're gonna turn around and about 1 o'clock we'll probably break for lunch for about an hour. And then we'll finish up. And then we should be home around 6. Schedule.
Wonderful.
What? Where? Oh, that switch wasn't telling me.